In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional landing page using ConvertKit. Whether you aim to gather newsletter signups, offer a freebie, or host a webinar, this guide will walk you through each step to make your landing page both effective and visually appealing. So, without further ado, let's dive into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to ConvertKit. If you haven't already, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where all the magic starts. Now that you're logged in, it's time to get going with creating a landing page. On the dashboard, you'll notice a section labeled Grow. Click on Landing Pages and Forms under this section. Here, you should see the option to Create New. Click on that and then select Landing Page from the list that pops up. This step sets the stage for you to start crafting your page. Now, let's move on to choosing a template. ConvertKit offers a wide array of templates designed for various purposes such as newsletter signups, freebies, and webinars. Take your time exploring the gallery. Select the one that best aligns with your style and the purpose of your landing page. Once you've found a template you're happy with, simply click Choose to start customizing your page. With your template in place, it's time to get creative. Click on any text area to edit the headings, body copy, or button labels to perfectly align them with your message and call to action. On the right-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Editor panel, which allows you to change colors and fonts. This is your opportunity to match the page with your brand's aesthetic. Don't forget to add images or your logo to enhance the page and resonate with your brand identity even further. You can easily upload images from your computer. Now, while setting up your form, decide on what action you'd like to follow when someone subscribes. Options include displaying a simple thank you message or redirecting them to another URL, all customizable under Form Settings. Moving along, let's adjust the page settings for a finishing touch. Click on the gear icon at the top right for settings. Here, make sure to fill in your SEO title and description. These are crucial for both search engines and giving visitors a preview of your page. You also have the option to customize your URL. ConvertKit provides a free hosted link, but you can personalize this URL to better represent your page's purpose for a more professional and cohesive look. Finally, once everything is set and ready, it's time to unveil your masterpiece. Click Publish to make your landing page live. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted, fully functional landing page using ConvertKit. Thank you for joining me today, and happy creating.